Hey everybody, my name is Nathan Siegel, and with my colleague Scott Patton, I'm the creator of this course, which is all about 5 fast masking tips in Photoshop. Just to give you a little bit of background, I've been working in digital imaging for a very long time. I started back in 1988, back in the days of the old 286, and I was running a photography studio doing special effects photography for multi-image shows. And if you don't know what those are computer-controlled slideshows. Later on, I wound up working with a team of design professionals. We created over 300 images for stock photography catalogs. And after that, I became a software instructor. And shortly after that, a freelance writer writing for magazines all over the world. To date, I've got over 1,000 articles published, and I've written 9 books, mostly about computer graphics and photography. So in this course, what you're going to be learning about are 5 different ways of masking images in Photoshop. The major ways you'll be doing it are with the magic wand tool, with the quick selection tool, the refine edge tool, the color range command, and the pen tool. And these are all very popular ways of masking images in Photoshop. The idea is to help you get your images masked quickly and with as little effort as possible. Each one of these lessons comes with downloadable files, so you can practice all these techniques on your own. So thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy the course.